and it's called Who's the Biggest Tosser. I've got a frying pan.
Okay.
Just look at the ingredients. It's vegan.
Hungry? Sure. It's vegan, yeah, I think, there you go. You want another? No, go on, no.
This matters.
Who's the biggest tosser? You're not seeing me on Sunday brunch.
I can't believe it's Pancake Day already. That's crept up on me.
That's a double, that must count as 2, 3, I'm doing loads, I'm doing trick shots here.
You can't believe this is working out, can you? Even your shop, the cameraman. Throw it, catch it, flip it. I am mother thinking Simon Rimmer.
We'll see how this pans out.
Does that count? Can I use my hand?
Oh.
I cooked a religious woman in this once. It was non-stick, so that's all right.
Have some nerve. Just believe it will land where it's meant to land, and then. Oh! Vegas has skills.
Yes! Beat that, Ramesh Ranganathan! Yes! Anywhere. Oh.
That's how you do it, yeah?
Happy Pancake Day. Loving your work. Leicester Comedy Festival. Doesn't it just do what other comedy festivals wish they could be?